In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. So at first let's open the list of all apps, then find and select settings. Here you need to enter wallpaper, and now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So it can be something from your own wallpapers gallery or one from wallpaper services, dynamic lock screens. And let me choose my wallpapers. Here you have downloaded if you downloaded anything, but I will choose one from those preloaded. And let me choose, for example, this one. And then decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. And I will pick this third option, lock and home screens. Here you can see how it will look like. Then tap on set to apply it. And from now on, this is your brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this new picture. So this is it, that will be all. That's how you can customize your device a bit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.